What if Ford built an off-road SUV that was developed by a Formula Drift racing champion? Not a marketing gimmick, not a sticker package, a genuinely engineered performance machine built for people who actually drive off-road. That SUV exists, and its name is the Ford Bronco RTR. Should you care about this truck, or is this just another trim level with a fancy badge? We are covering everything, every single detail that makes this SUV genuinely special. If you find this useful, a like takes 1 second. Let's get into it. Exterior and design. The Ford Bronco RTR does not try to look aggressive, it simply is aggressive. Avalanche gray body paint, with hyper lime green accents running through the grille, the wheels, the side graphics, and every detail that matters. 17-inch beadlock-capable RTR EVO wheels come standard. These are not decorative. Beadlock wheels prevent tires from rolling off the rim under extreme low-pressure off-road conditions. The fact that Ford includes them from the factory tells you everything about the intention behind this vehicle. Standard high-clearance suspension gives the RTR a tall, planted stance. Meaty 33-inch all-terrain tires sit at each corner, ready for whatever comes next. A unique grille treatment and RTR-specific graphics separate this truck immediately from every other Bronco in any parking lot. This is a truck that announces itself before you even open the door. Engine and performance. Now let's talk about what makes the Bronco RTR genuinely different from every other Bronco trim on the market. The engine options are a turbocharged 2.3-liter four-cylinder producing around 300 horsepower, and a twin-turbocharged 2.7-liter V6 producing 330 horsepower. Both engines connect to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Both deliver strong, confident power across the rev range. But the technology that truly sets the RTR apart is anti-lag turbo technology. Here is what that means in plain language. Normally, when you lift off the throttle on a turbocharged engine, the turbocharger loses boost pressure, and when you get back on the throttle, there is a moment of hesitation while boost builds back up. That hesitation is called turbo lag. The Bronco RTR eliminates that hesitation completely. Software keeps the turbocharger continuously spooled, even when you lift off the throttle, which means the moment you press the accelerator again, full boost is available instantly, every single time. On a sand dune, on a rocky trail, in a river crossing, wherever throttle response matters most, the RTR delivers it without delay. Ford also borrowed the 1,000-watt cooling fan directly from the Bronco Raptor's parts bin. This fan keeps the engine at the correct operating temperature during extended off-road sessions, when the vehicle is working hardest and airflow through the grille is minimal. This is not glamorous technology, but it is exactly the kind of detail that separates a truck that performs on the trail from a truck that looks good in the driveway. Off-road capabilities. This is where the Ford Bronco RTR becomes something genuinely serious. Standard configuration rides on those 33-inch all-terrain tires with the RTR high-clearance suspension underneath, already more capable than most buyers will ever genuinely need. But add the available Sasquatch package, and the RTR transforms completely. 35-inch Goodyear rugged terrain tires replace the standard 33s. The Haas 3 suspension system with Fox internal bypass shocks takes over from the standard setup. This is the same suspension architecture found in the Bronco Badlands, now fitted to the RTR with the additional benefit of the anti-lag turbo technology and Raptor cooling hardware working alongside it. The result is a truck that handles high-speed desert running, deep sand, rock crawling, and muddy trail driving with equal confidence. The RTR was developed and tested at Johnson Valley, California, one of the most demanding off-road environments in North America, and then further validated at the King of the Hammers race, considered by many to be the hardest one-day off-road race in the world. This is not a truck tested in a Ford parking lot. This is a truck tested in the same conditions that break purpose-built race vehicles. Vaughn Gittin Jr. himself said it plainly: Bronco RTR is built to dominate the dirt, whether you are in Johnson Valley or on a backwoods trail. That is not a marketing line. That is a statement from a man who has driven this truck in conditions that most buyers will never encounter. Interior and comforts. Step inside the Ford Bronco RTR, and the RTR identity continues immediately. Hyper-lime accents run through the stitching, the seatbelts, the grab handles, and the instrument panel details. Every time you look around the cabin, the RTR reminds you of exactly what it is. Embossed RTR logos on the seatbacks. A unique topographical dashboard graphic that echoes the rugged terrain this truck was built to conquer. And an RTR-specific startup and welcome screen that greets you every time you turn the key. Heated front seats come standard, dual-zone climate control, and Ford Co-Pilot 360 driver assistance technology across the entire RTR lineup. The 12-inch digital instrument cluster and 12-inch touchscreen provide a genuinely modern technology experience inside what is fundamentally a rugged off-road vehicle. Wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto connect your phone without cables. 4 USB ports throughout the cabin handle charging for everyone aboard. The durable, easy-to-clean interior materials reflect the reality of RTR ownership. Mud happens, dirt happens, sand gets everywhere. The Bronco RTR's interior was designed to be wiped clean, not carefully protected. And the removable doors and removable roof remain available, because some experiences simply require fresh air and open sky above you. A safety and technology. Ford Co-Pilot 360 comes standard on the Bronco RTR. Automatic emergency braking, forward collision warning, and automatic high beam assist are included without any additional cost. Available safety features include blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, rear cross-traffic alert, and adaptive cruise control for comfortable highway driving between off-road destinations. The 12-inch touchscreen runs Ford's latest software, fast, responsive, and genuinely intuitive after a short learning period. Wireless connectivity means no cables to manage before a trail run. A Wi-Fi hotspot keeps passengers connected. Satellite radio provides entertainment across any terrain, and the audio system delivers clear sound whether the doors are on or off. Technology in the Bronco RTR exists to support the driving experience, not to distract from it. A driving experience. Here is the honest truth about what the Ford Bronco RTR feels like to drive every single day. On the highway, it is completely comfortable, composed, refined, and genuinely easy to live with. The suspension absorbs road imperfections without drama. Wind noise is acceptable for a vehicle of this type. In the city, the compact footprint makes parking and maneuvering straightforward. Visibility is excellent in all directions. The controls are simple and intuitive. And on the trail, this is where the RTR reveals exactly why it exists. The anti-lag turbo technology delivers instant response the moment you need power on a steep climb. The Fox shocks absorb impacts that would bottom out lesser suspension systems. The beadlock wheels hold tire pressure at the exact level you set them. And the Raptor cooling fan keeps everything running correctly regardless of how long you are out there. This is not a truck for occasional light gravel roads. This is a truck for people who genuinely go off-road regularly, who want factory-built quality and warranty protection, and who refuse to pay Bronco Raptor prices to get genuinely serious off-road hardware. A final verdict. Here is my completely honest final verdict on the Ford Bronco RTR. Is this the right off-road SUV for you? If you love off-roading and want factory-built performance hardware at a price significantly below the Bronco Raptor, absolutely yes. The anti-lag turbo technology, the Raptor cooling fan, the beadlock wheels, and the Haas 3 Fox shocks with the Sasquatch package combine to create an off-road capability package that Ford previously reserved for vehicles costing significantly more. The RTR sits between the Badlands and the Raptor in Ford's lineup, and for the majority of off-road buyers, it hits exactly the right point, more capable than the Badlands, more affordable than the Raptor, and developed by someone who has actually competed at the highest levels of performance driving. Who should look elsewhere? If maximum off-road performance at any price is the goal, the Bronco Raptor remains the answer. If budget is the primary concern, the Badlands with standard equipment is genuinely capable and costs less. But for the off-road enthusiast who wants real performance hardware, real engineering behind it, and a truck that stands apart visually from everything else on the trail. The Ford Bronco RTR delivers exactly what it promises. If this helped you, drop a like. Follow for more honest car content. And comment below, would you choose the Bronco RTR or save up for the full Raptor? See you in the next one. Peace, victory.